So permutations and combinations from this according to old weightage 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4. This is the old weightage. So now according to new weightage we are getting 7 marks extra. Okay, so 2 plus 2 4 plus 4 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 7 is 19 marks. Okay, new weightage is 19 marks. Okay, and what topics are deleted? Okay, so if we discuss the deleted portion, deleted portion is permutation when repetitions are allowed. Okay, circular permutations is deleted and permutations with constraint repetitions. Okay, so all these are deleted. So other than that, we'll discuss the problems other than the remaining. Okay, so what is permutation, what is combination? Once we'll discuss. Okay, what is permutation? Okay, so permutation is nothing but selecting and arrangement. Selecting and arrangement. How many ways are there for selecting as well as arrangement? Okay, those we will discuss in the permutation. If we take the combination, okay, in the combination or combinations, we'll discuss only selections. Only selections here. We'll discuss only selecting. How many ways are there for selecting? Okay, so the cricket team, okay, like that. Okay, here not only selecting, we have to arrange. In how many ways we can arrange them. All these are the topics related to permutation. Okay, so for example, here 1 2 3 are the numbers. 1 2 3, 1 comma 2 comma 3 are the numbers. How many ways are possible to arrange, select and arrange? Okay, so here 3 numbers, we are selecting 3. And we are arranging them 1 2 3 and 1 3 2. Okay, 2 2 1 3 2 3 1. Okay, next 3 with the 3 3 1 2 3 2 1. How many ways are possible here? How many ways? 6 ways are possible. 6 ways are possible. From these three numbers, if we select only 2 2, so 3p 2 ways are possible. 3p. So here 3 numbers, 3 places. 3 numbers, 3 places. That is 3p3 or 3 factorial ways. 3 factorial is nothing but 3 into 2 into 1. That is 6 ways are possible. 6 ways are possible. Okay, if we select, okay, from these 3 numbers, I am selecting only 2 and arranging. How many ways are possible? 3p2 ways are possible. 3p2 ways. So 3p2 is nothing but 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 2 factorial. 3 minus 2 factorial. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 factorial is no change. So that means 3 into 2 into 1. 6 ways only. Here also we get 6 possible ways. Okay. So means finally, so what is the formula? Formula for permutation. So for finding the number of permutations, okay, so here we use the formula NPR. Here we use the formula NPR. Selecting and arranging number of permutations of n persons. If we select R at a time, that is the formula NPR. NPR ways are possible. Okay, formula for this is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, or in the short form we can write it as, okay, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on, n minus r plus 1. Okay, so ways are possible. Okay, for example, okay, so how to simplify the values? For example, 3p2, if you want to find the 3p2 values, okay, so either we can use this regular one, 3 factorial by 3 minus 2 factorial, or otherwise if you apply this concept, okay, so 3 into 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 2, like this we have to apply. 3 minus r means 2, 3 minus 2, how much? 1. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, so we have to subtract up to 2. Up to 2. Okay, so 3 minus 2. After 3 minus 2, 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 means 0. It becomes 0. Okay, so when we get 0, the total number becomes 0. That's why we have to stop there. Okay, so 3 into 3 minus 2 is 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, that means 6 ways are possible. 6 ways are possible. Okay, here we discussed here. Okay, so we discussed 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. Okay, with these 3 numbers we discussed one example. Okay, if we select two numbers, okay, so how to write them? Okay, so from 1 to 3, selecting two numbers, 1 2 1 3, 1 2 and 1 3 with 1 2 numbers. Okay, next take two, start with 2 2 1 and 2 3. Start with 3 3 1 and 3 2. 3 1 and 3 2. Is there any other possibility? No. Okay, so that means 3p2 is equals to 3 numbers we are arranging in 2 possibility way, 2 places. 3p2, 6 ways are possible. 6 ways. Okay, how we are getting? 1 2 3. Okay, so numbers arranging in how many places? 2 places. 2 places. Okay, so then we are getting 6 ways, 6 possible ways. Okay, so now how do we solve the problems? Okay, so and factorial, once we'll discuss factorial term also. So what is factorial? So what we do with the factorial? Okay, so now if we take 0 factorial, what is 0 factorial value? 0 factorial is 1. And what is 1 factorial? 1 factorial also 1 only. What is 2 factorial? 2 factorial is 2 into 1. Okay, that is 2. What is 3 factorial? 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, that is 3 2 is a 6 plus 6 1 is a 6. What is 4 factorial? Okay, 4 factorial is descending order. We are multiplying all the numbers in the descending order. Okay, that means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 3 is a 12, 2 is a 24, 1 is a 24 only. What is 5 factorial? Okay, so 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so this is equal to 5 4 is a 23 is a 62 is a 120. Okay, so at least try to remember till here. These are very important and compulsory. Repeatedly we use, okay, all the 5 factorial values. And also we use like this, we can write like this also. Sometimes we don't want the number, okay, without writing complete value, without calculating complete value also we can simplify sometimes. Okay, for that, in that cases we write sometimes 5 into 4 factorial. 4 factorial again, for what is 4 factorial? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Instead of writing the complete all the terms, we write 4 factorial. Or the same 5 factorial we can write like this also. 5 into, okay, 5 minus 1 factorial. After that, subtracted one number and keeping the factorial. Okay, so or otherwise we can write like this also. Okay, 5 into 4 into 3. Then we can write the factorial. We can stop anywhere in the descending order. We can stop anywhere. Okay, for the and keep the factorial, or we can write in the second way. Okay, so 5 into 5 minus 1 into 5 minus 2 and factorial like this. Okay, where we use all these. Okay, where we use all these. Is there any benefit? Yes. Okay, our simplification part becomes easy. Okay, if we use this, our simplification part becomes very easy and simple. Okay, and okay, so once we'll discuss the problems on this. Once we'll discuss the problems also on this. Okay, so 2 marks problems. Very short answer questions. Important. Very short answer questions. So if NP3 is equals to 1320, then find N. Okay, we can write this NP3. NP3 is equals to 1320. We can write this as 132 into 10, 132 into 10, or we can write this as 12 into 11 into 10. Okay, 12 11 times is 132. Already I explained you one trick. Remember the Ashish? Remember? I explained you one trick. Okay. So 12 into 11, multiplication by 11, I told you one trick. What is the trick? What is the technique? Multiplication by 11. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me.
If we are multiplying number by 11, the first and like 1 and 2 will be we have to add both, and then the added one will be the middle term.
Yes, yes. Okay, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, if you write the 1 and 2, if you add, we are getting 3. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So 12 into 11 is nothing but just write the 12 and add these two numbers and write in the middle. That is only result. Okay. So 12 into 11 into 10. We can write this as from 12.
Sir, I didn't understood.
So that is the trick I explained in the previous class. In one class, I explained fast calculation techniques. Calculation techniques. So you can see this. Okay, so fast calculation techniques video in the YouTube. Okay. In my channel. So we have Veda online classes, right? In that Veda online classes. Okay, fast calculation techniques. We have one. Okay, so what we'll say? Okay, group. Okay, so it's not group.
A YouTube channel.
YouTube channel. In that channel,
playlist.
Yes, playlist. Okay, in that we have a playlist. Intermediate playlist is there. Intermediate maths 2A playlist is there. Like that, fast calculation techniques. We have a playlist. In that, only one video I uploaded. That class I taught to Ashish and another girl and other students. Okay, once you watch that video, so afterwards if you have any doubt, ask me, I'll explain. Okay, I'll explain few other techniques also which will help you in your mathematics and studies. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Samuel and Sanjana not coming, sir.
Sanjana, she has a busy schedule in the college. That's why she's not coming for 15 days. After 15 days, she will join. Samuel not in contact. Once I'll call him. I'm giving the message. That's it. Okay. So here 12 into 11 is 132. 132 I am writing as 12 into 11. That's it. Okay. So the number started from 12 and up to 10. So how many numbers we took? 3 numbers. So started from 12 and we written 3 numbers. So it is 12p3. The value is 12p3. Okay. So np3 is equals to 12p3. Then what is the n value? N is nothing but the value of n is 12. Understood? The value of n is 12. Next to np4 is equals to, if np4 is equals to 1680, then find n. Okay. So np4 is equals to 1680. I am rewriting this as 168 into 10. Again changing this 168. Okay, taking 4 table, 4 4s are 4 2s and 2 5s are 10. Okay, so prime factors, try to write them in the prime factors. Okay, so 42 factors, 7 into 6, right? Okay, so and 2 into 5 as it is. Okay, so now this is equals to 2 into 2 and 7 into this 6. 6 is 2 into 3. Okay, into 2 into 5. So now in this, try to find out the now all the numbers are in the prime number. Okay, so afterwards the factorization is not possible. In all these numbers, what is a little bit bigger number? 7. Okay, so start from the 7. Okay, 7 may be in the middle, or maybe we can take the factors less than that or more than that. Okay, so it is approximately the factors. When we write we have to write the 4 consecutive factors. Okay, we have to arrange 4 consecutive factors. Okay, from the given factors. Okay, so how to write that? Why? Because why we are writing like that? So it is given as np4. np4 in here r value is 4, so we want 4 factors. Okay, so to this 7, below 7 we can take 6. Below 7 we can take 6. And 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Okay, 8, 7, 6, 5. We are getting 4. We are getting 4 factors. Is it correct? Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this first 2 numbers and one more 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8. That 8 I am writing here, and afterwards I am writing this 7, and this 3 into 2 I am writing 6 here, and into 5 last number writing as it is. So from 8 to 5. Okay, started from 8 big number to small number 5. So how many numbers we written? 4 numbers in descending order. 8p4. np4 is equal to 8p4. What is the n value? 8. Therefore the value of n is 8. Understood?